assembly of the Bravo Expanding Display Kit is quick and easy. Begin by removing all parts from the convenient carry case. Set the horizontal poles to the side. Lay out the left and right leg frames with the poles facing in. Assemble the left foot by pushing the vertical pole into the leg joint. Rotate the foot so the horizontal pole is vertical and push in the locking button. Insert onto the joint, making sure the push button comes through the locking hole. Repeat these steps for the other side. Assemble the top joints by pushing the vertical pole into the corner joint. Then push the horizontal pole into the corner joint. Repeat these steps for the other side. Insert the top horizontal pole into one of the side frames by matching up the labels on the hardware. Push in the push button and insert until the button goes through the hole located by the corner joint. Do not connect the other side of the pole yet. Repeat these steps for the bottom vertical pole. Completely insert the top pole pocket of the graphic onto the top vertical pole. Repeat these steps for the bottom pole pocket and pole. Insert the bottom horizontal pole into the side frame, making sure the push button comes through the pole hole. Repeat these steps for the top vertical pole. Slide the graphic over the top and bottom horizontal poles. Lift frame into standing position. Adjust graphic, making sure it's centered in the frame. With another person or by yourself, open the telescoping clamp and lift side up. Close the clamp. If you are doing this by yourself, repeat these steps as many times as necessary, alternating between sides. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the Bravo Expanding Display.